Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bendu Billy. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some crochet hairstyle, and I'm going to be using this hair. I picked up this hair from the beauty supply. I haven't used it before, so I really don't know what it's gonna look like when I'm done. I'm hoping that it comes out exactly how I imagine it. So guys, keep watching and I hope you enjoy this video. First, I'm going to part my hair in the middle.
See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while.
I'm using this wild growth oil to oil my scalp. And I'm gonna do this throughout until I know that I have enough oil on my scalp. I'm making sure that I leave out a little bit of baby hair, and when I'm done I can easily use my edge booster to lay my baby hair. So for right now, I'm just gonna cornrow my braids down.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses.
Alright guys, so we are done with the cornrows part of this style, and for this very hairstyle you're gonna need about three items. One of it is the crochet hook. You're gonna need the crochet hook, you're gonna need comb, you're gonna need scissors, and the hair itself. The growth oil is optional. You can use it if you want to. If not, just go ahead and use whatever you have. And I'm gonna be cutting this hair into 3 because I don't want it to be too long.
Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that.
This is what I'm doing. I pull the hair in the crochet hook, then I go ahead and lock it, then pull it in. Once I'm done pulling it in, I pass it through here, then I go ahead and then just lock it. And the next one, we're gonna repeat the same method.
someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it beaches. Stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame.
I'm done crocheting all the extensions into my hair. I realized that some of the extensions is a little bit longer than the other ones, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep trimming as much as I can to make sure that the bands is not too long and it's not too short. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same in the back to make sure that some of the hair in the back is not too long as well. Guys, create a desired length of your choice and trust me, you will love it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I hope I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.